Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Facebook location. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on that profile. Now tap on edit profile. Scroll a little down and here you can see edit your about info. Now here you can see places lived. Under that you can see add current city. And now here you can search for your city. Let's see, I can search Lahore, and here you can see tap on Lahore. Now if you want to edit your privacy, that if you want your location to only show to you, so you can do only me, but if you want to show your friends, so you can tap on friends. If you want to make it public, so let's tap on public and then save that option, and it will save your current location. So guys, this is how you can easily change your location on Facebook. Guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future.